Hi, I'm Elaine Duff, and I'm here in Chicago at the County BBQ, where today we're going to learn how to make some delicious bird dog whiskey cocktails. Haley, what are you teaching me how to make today?
Yeah, so today we're making the Berry Berry whiskey sour. So it's actually pretty simple. All you need is a shaker with ice, and you're gonna take your blackberry bird dog whiskey, and we're gonna do 2 ounces. And we're gonna put that in there. And then you need an ounce of our in-house raspberry simple syrup, or at home, it's literally just sugar, water, and raspberries, and you muddle it all up and strain it out, and that's how you get this.
That sounds really simple.
So
and delicious.
Again, you're gonna do an ounce of that, and then you're gonna do an ounce of the just fresh squeezed lemon juice.
Fantastic. That's simple. So it's just 2 ounces of the bird dog blackberry whiskey, 1 ounce of the raspberry syrup, and 1 ounce of lemon juice, and that's
Yep.
it.
And then you're gonna just shake it. Give it a good shake. And then you're gonna need a glass and a strainer. And then you're gonna garnish with a lemon wheel.
That looks so pretty. I'm so excited about this cocktail.